everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I wanted to show you what I got in my July Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you'd like to see what products I received specifically in my bag and how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. So let's get right into it and see what I got for my July 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. I see here that I got two sheet masks and I did try the tea tree one and I must say it was really good. Next up I got the banana setting powder and this is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics and I got it in the shade medium. So as you can see, I'm just applying it underneath my eyes so that I can brighten the area as well. The next item in my glam bag was the tapered blending brush and this is by Elizabeth Mott. It was super soft and I wanted to try it using a Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. I've applied one of the eyeshadows here just to test it out and really blend it out, and it did blend out like a dream, so I would highly recommend these brushes. They're really good. And then I just went in with the Morphe brush just to further blend that out. I then used a shimmer color in the palette, that way I can kind of finish off the eye look. And now moving on to the next product I received. I received from Aiko the liquid eyeliner in black, and this is the skinny one. This one was really nice, and as you can see here, I kind of tested out using a firmer kind of pressure and then a lighter pressure, so you can see the difference here with how the tip really does apply, and it's really nice. So I'm just making a winged liner, as you can see right here. And then I'm just taking a blush brush and I'm just dusting away all the excess powder, and I'm just kind of buffing that in, that way I can really blend it all out. And now to my favorite product of this whole bag, and it must be the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color Ibiza and I absolutely fell in love. I feel like this color is so perfect for summer and it was my favorite. I've actually used it a few days since I tried this product and I'm really loving it. And then to finalize this look, I'm just using a blush by BH Cosmetics and I'm applying this to my cheekbones. So this is the final result. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as well as watching to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag and me trying it on as well. I must say that I'm super impressed with some of these products, especially this beautiful color by NYX. I mean, I think it's so summery and I love the way it looks on me, and I feel like with the blush, it kind of just ties in the whole look together. So I'm super happy with what I got this month. To see what I got in the previous months, please click on the videos that will show up over here. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up, it'll really help support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.